ito na nga, gumagawa kami ngayon ng cookies, different cookies. Yan. Very beautiful cookies. You see, there is also red velvet cookies. You see? And at the same time, they're making too an Oreo cookies. Yan.
Also, chocolate chip.
And chocolate chip
The
cookies.
last one.
Yes, the last one is the chocolate chip cookies. Ito. Yan, ang ganda niya, guys. Can you make a beautiful smile, Anon? Hello, Anon. How are you? Gumagawa kami ng cookies.
No, it's okay. I'll just put it in here.
Nuno,
Yes?
come in. Come here, Nuno.
Okay, I'm just...
Yan, busy kami dito sa kusina. Kasama namin gumagawa ang aming mga alaga ng cookies. Very yummy. Nuno, how many flour you will use?
This is the amount I will use.
Okay. At ito na nga, nakagawa na kami ng cookies. Yan, ito ang cookies. At ito ang red velvet cookies. Yan. Yummy, yummy, yummy cookies. At ito nga, yari na rin ang ating Oreo cookies.
So good.
At ang ating isa pang cookies with chocolate chip. Yan. Wait lang, Anon. We're making video. Okay. At ito na nga po, nilalagyan na namin ng icing. Son, she's the one who's making the icing now. And Lulu also. Lulu! Wait. Her icing is melted. No. Wait. We will wipe it. Wait, we will wipe it. You gonna get me?
Thank you.
Wait. Run a bit,
What happened? Can you move my arm?
Don't click your...
I'm gonna save this frosting for the Oreo.
Okay.
You have the Oreo on there.
If it's on the...
No. Yalla, put now icing.
I'm trying.
Give me... No, not like that. Not like that.
Oh. Here. Can I?
Here, let me cut that Oreo. Let me cut it for you a minute. I can't...
Cut it
I
with
can't see
wait.
like that.
Cut. Oh, Anon, your clothes. There. See.
I need a tissue.
No. You cut it already, Anon, or still? Cut it, be. Give me. Don't cut it a lot.
Can you wash
Wow, mashallah. Nuno is putting icing. Yalla, it's pulled down. It's here, be. Maybe it's here. What happened, Nuno? Oh. No.
What's here?
No.
Get
No.
it. Why'd you put it on there?
Okay, let me just...
Oh, Mira, that's disgusting.
No, you can like spread it because it has to be like that. I just remembered.
Put another one. Put another one there.
Last one.
Do you want me to spread that one out?
Wait.
Just 1 minute.
1 minute.
Alhamdulillah, we finished.
Very beautiful cookies.
This one come out.
Wash your hands.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Even the one who's making is so beautiful. Kalas, kalas, be. Kalas. Good enough.
I'm so proud.
Mabrok, mabrok.
Finally.
Finally.
You cannot let me do like this. Wait, cut for.
Yan. Naglalagay na sila ng frosting. It's nice the taste, no?
Very nice.
Very nice. Masala. You always doing cake there in Texas, or no?
Yeah,
With who? With Zen or
my
Mom?
friends.
Your friends?
Make it like this and then not open.
It's okay.
Okay, you
Make it whole.
I need a spoon.
Spoon, give her a spoon. Ito na nga, nagagawa na kami ng mga cake.
Okay. Can you try it?
But it's supposed not so small because maybe I put a big hole.
What?
Sino na? It's okay.
Just I'm sorry.
It's okay, just spread
It's
it
okay,
out.
it's okay, babe. It's okay.
I need.
Not that one, spoon, baby.
Get that spoon, please. Thank you.
Yan na nga ang mga cookies. Natapos din ang aming pagkukookies.
Oh, you make it broke.
It always broke.
One more, Onon, from Nuno.
Yes.
This one good also. See, this one. This one. Be careful.
Because it's not as soft as this one.
Okay.
Let me go. Why you put in your mouth?
Oh no.
Girl!
Okay, this is for you. This is for us to try.
No, this is for me.
Dito sa iyo ko kaya ipapawa
Also-
dito mga video. Ipapawa mo sa akin.
Okay,
At
then we're
hindi
gonna.
ko maiano sa
Wait, I want to
cellphone
take
ko.
home 2 Oreos.
Of course.
Because if Zan wants...
These are your cookies and they're also a lot. Bye.
She mega love. Thanks. Thanks to my favorite. Mega love shout out. mega love shout out. Tell Bebe, mega love shout.
Mega love show.
No, she knows.
She knows, Nora. It's time to eat. Yan. Ang sarap ng aming dinner. Ito na nga po. Mega love shout out, Bebe Moody. I love you always, Bitong. Nag-barf si Tita. Ayan.
Thank you, Mama, for the burger.
For the nice burger.
Thanks for the dinner.
Ito nga po, nakain kami. Ang sarap-sarap. Kahit na yung potato, ang sarap-sarap.
Hindi tayo makaharap po. Ayan.
Ang sarap niya. Yummy.
Layo mo.
Ayan. At ito na nga po ang ating burger na binili ni Big Tong. Ang sarap-sarap.
Mega love shout out.
Mega love shoutout, Bitong Mahmoud Al-Mutawa. Thanks for the love. I
Should be on
love
the
you.
radio.
I love you always. Inshallah, be. I will be work in the radio station. I enjoy every bite of it.
It's good?
Yeah, good.
So, the meat and the burger.
Juicy.
And juicy and tender. Even the sandwich, it's
كثير
very
رخيصة.
okay.
واو برجر رخيصة. Very
It's
nice.
near, huh?
At night when I take the car, I
You
go
go
there.
there. Oh,
So I don't leave the fridge.
very nice. Kain po tayo.
So, what time did you sleep tonight? Morning na, morning time.
Huh?
Morning time you sleep back now. All night you didn't sleep.
He will sleep in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah?
tomorrow morning.
No, I will try to sleep early.
Try to sleep early, bed. It's good, so because the school starts
coming,
soon.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have to sleep early.
Thank you so much. Love you. Ito nga. Yung isa pa naming batch na ginawa. Ayan. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap ng donya, guys. Malambot siya. At saka, malasa siya. Masarap yung dog. Yung pagkakagawa ko ng dog. Ayan. At ito na nga, guys. Busy pa rin kami. Gagawa naman ngayon ng kape at tea. Ganito kamesi kami, oh. Ang dami kasing ginagawa. Nakakapagod din ang maghapon. Hanggang gabi pa kami dito, guys. Ito ang ating tea. Kumukulo na siya. Yan. Gagawa rin tayo ng Arabic coffee. Ito na nga. Nilagyan natin ang ating tea ng saffron and rose water. Yan. Sasali na natin siya, guys. Ito. Isasali na natin siya. Sige, Lita, pakitingin mo nga yung ano, please lang. Yan. Medyo sumobra siya. Medyo sumobra ang ating tea. At ito na nga, luto na rin ang ating pizza. It looks yummy. Yummy, yummy pizza. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yum, yum, yum. Ito na nga, inilalagay na natin sa ating serving dish ang ating mga pizza. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap niya, guys. Ito siya, guys. Ito ang first batch ng ating pizza. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Looks yummy. Yummy, yummy.